Hey, what's up? So, I noticed that on my channel I actually do not have a dedicated video for the T-drag, which is essentially the very first slide slash stop that you should learn when you're inline skating. So, I have a student today, let's just call him OG, and the reason why I think this will be a good tutorial is because rather than me just explaining how to do it, I'll actually have somebody in real time learning how to do it. So all those little things that you beginners could probably fumble on, I'll be able to address that in real time. So let's get to it. They have this notion where they call it the T-drag, but really I consider it an L. Because if you really look at the position of it, let me show you. This is how you stop. Look at that position there. That's more of an L. T-drag, L drag, however you want to call it, same thing. You're basically putting your body, your legs in an L position. Okay, so again, let me show you. You're striding, stop, you bend your knee, and that leg in the back, you're going to lift it up and hold. Skate, skate, stop, bend, drive. Alright, so OG is going to give it a try again. Now remember, OG, put all the pressure, initially at least, in that leg that bend. If I were to give it a percentage, let's say the leg that's bending in the front, give it 80%. The leg that's trailing in the back, give it 20%. And I want you to remember one thing when you're learning things. You haven't developed the muscle memory or the muscles itself to do the trick first. So don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. This is why we practice. We practice to get better at the things that we're trying. So go at it as much as you could, and one day it'll come to you. Once you be persistent and you have interest in it, you'll get it.
Oh.
Wherever your head slash eyes go, your body tend to follow. So your shoulders, your top part of your body, when you go to bend this knee to go in, you also rotate your shoulders. Okay, that was actually pretty good.
Having your shoulders and your sight in the forward really help on the last one, because I'm normally looking at the ground. I guess that's why I'm always falling. So let's try it again.
Okay. Okay. So he's at least coming to a full stop now. So, all right, everybody. So we've been practicing for like 10 minutes now, and I think he's on to something. So let's let him take control.
Get low. Push this out. And there. The norm is people always say practice makes perfect.
Yeah.
Kenny says that if you practice something the wrong way, then it won't be perfect.
Yeah.
So we got to do it right. Perfect practice makes perfect. In the beginning, we change the directions of the way I turn my body when I go on to put the weight on the front, keeping your line of sight straight ahead. You know, you have to be confident when you do it and know that you are not going to fall. And also we transfer some of the weight to the back leg, to the braking leg. So here we go. Get low, bring this leg forward, this left leg comes out, swing the body out, line of focus up.
That's it. You know how I said do 70, 30 or 80, 20, whatever that number was? What it is when you go into it, you go into it with that 80-20. But while you're in there, you don't keep it at 80-20. You want to shift some of that 80 to the back. Let's say you're making from that 80 down to 60-40. But essentially that's what it is. This is how you put that weight on that trailing foot to where you don't spin out. Because the reason I think you are spinning out and he is spinning out is because we're keeping the weight to the front. So now the back leg is doing whatever it wants. So you want to put pressure on that back leg to hold it. That's why the one that he did previously, he got right. So you saw that OG has got it down pat. So anything you want to say to the camera?
Well, you got to find a good teacher like Darwin first and foremost. Remember, the T-stop is what we was focusing on today. It was 80% at first on that left leg. That was the leading leg. You got to bend your knee, lean forward a little bit, twist your body, and just commit the back leg to it and start to distribute the weight that's needed to achieve the T-stop.
Correct. That little addition right there of realizing about how weight distribution works was the essential key to getting that firmness in our stop. So now that we got that down pat and you've got that down pat because you're going to practice it, me and OG just going to skate around and have fun because skating is supposed to be fun. But thank you for watching. Y'all take care.